Lay down on your back. Make sure that you are comfortable. You can put a little cushion under your head. Take your time to find the right position for you. You can close your eyes or leave them open. Take a moment to arrive wherever you are. You can change the position anytime or move as you like. Feel the surface underneath you, the contact of your back with the floor, the mat. Do you notice where you have contact? What parts of your body are in touch with the floor? And what parts of your body don't touch the floor? Maybe there are some thoughts or images in your mind, maybe a memory. Allow whatever is there or comes up to be present in that moment now. Without the need to change anything. Just being a witness, observing. Open yourself to whatever is there in the moment. Maybe you are moving a little bit to adjust your position. Notice how moving your body changes slightly the places where you are in contact with the floor. Notice how your back and other parts of your body in contact with the floor are compressed. The weight compresses the tissues like a sponge. And when you move, different parts of your body are compressed. Just be with whatever is there in this moment, without judgment, interpretation, or the need to change anything. Maybe there's something drawing your attention. A certain feeling or a thought. Maybe a part of your body is calling your attention. Just be with it. If you like, you can flex your knees. And then slowly move the knees to the right and then to the left. Slowly, so you can feel what is happening in your hips and in your pelvis, in your ankles and feet. And in your spine. You can have your knees close together or a little bit apart. Try out how it is different when your knees are closer together or further apart. Little bit to the left and a little bit to the right. And if you like, you can also move just one knee and leave the other in the middle. And notice what you feel in your ankles and feet. Your hip joints, in your pelvis and your spine. If you like, you can put one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. And notice when you move your knees, or one knee, how that affects the movement of your insides. The fluids, organs, the intestines, the stomach, the liver. Your lungs and the heart. And as you bring your focus more and more to the fluids and organs in your chest and belly, initiate the movement, the slow rolling from there. And let the knees follow. Feel the weight of the organs and the fluids drawing your body to the right and to the left. Like pouring sand or water into a glass, or like a water balloon. Try to move as slow as possible, really listening to the weight of the organs. And the weight of your legs. And continue in this way for some time as you like. Slowly moving your body to the left and to the right. Following the weight of your body. Letting the weight move your body from inside. And notice how your head is participating in the movement. Very soft head and neck. And then stretch out again. Extend your legs and just observe what you feel. How is the contact with the floor now? Which parts of your body are in contact? And which parts are not in contact? Do you notice any difference to before? Maybe there are some thoughts or images in your mind, maybe a memory. Allow whatever is there to be present in that moment, now. Without the need to change anything, just being a witness, observing. Maybe there's something drawing your attention, maybe a part of your body calling you. Just be with whatever is there in this moment, without judgment, interpretation, or the need to change anything. And then take a few more minutes if you like to rest, or follow your thoughts or a memory. Before you roll to the side and slowly come to sitting. Take the time you need to integrate, to absorb the experience before you get up. Look around.